Well, hey everybody, welcome back. This is just going to be a really quick video. Just want to show you what I've done with my green beans out of the garden. Just put them in a pan with some butter and garlic, some of the Lori's seasoned salt and seasoned pepper, and sauteed them. They're not sizzling now because I shut it off. I just turned it back on. But they're really good this way. Fresh green beans out of the garden and sauteed, really good. So if you haven't tried it this way, I know a lot of people just boil their green beans and you lose a lot of the flavor, but this way, and I only made just a little tiny bit of them because I do want to can some more, and I've got some more growing. They're coming out there, so just want to show you guys this, and they came really good. So have a nice evening, guys, and I will see you soon. Have a great day. Bye.